we have David with us. He's a British and he is a very famous TikToker as well. He's very good in social media. Let's talk to David why he's supporting Imran Khan and what do you think about in Pakistan, especially what's the current situation. David, tell us about why you are supporting Imran Khan.
Well, I support Imran Khan because we've known him obviously from his cricket days, and we know he's a thoroughly good, decent person with a pure heart, and he is very much loved. And he's motivated one thing: Pakistan and the people of Pakistan. He wants nothing for himself. There is no benefit to him, a financial benefit, and he's just motivated by love, the love of his country, the love of his people. And I believe that the only person who can save Pakistan is Imran Khan.
And David, another thing as well, like at the moment, the currency, Pakistan currency, is going very down. Like it's getting very weak. Do you think this is the thing? What people can take advantage as well to Pakistan, like from the, or I'm talking about some different countries, maybe they can pressurize IMF and they want to do something more as well. Do you think this is the case?
So when the currency fluctuates, it's good for people who buy from Pakistan, but Pakistan is not producing anything now because the economy is in complete tatters, and it's very hard to import things in order to manufacture things to export it. So it's a lose-lose situation for Pakistan, and I think long term what could happen is if Pakistan completely collapses, the US government will come to the rescue and they would say, look, we will give you billions and billions to save Pakistan, but we want something in return. And what they will want are military bases. And if they have military bases in Pakistan, from there they can attack Russia, they can attack China. And when China or North Korea, for example, are attacked, they won't bomb America, they will bomb Pakistan. And that is why the Americans are so interested in Pakistan now, because it is very useful for them.
And in the last question, do you want to say anything to Imran Khan if he's watching? What message you want to do to Imran Khan?
Well, Imran, if you're watching this, you're one of the most amazing men I've ever come to know in my life. And we're absolutely amazed at your devotion to your country and your people. When you don't have to, you're very wealthy, you're an elderly man, you could be enjoying your retirement, but your commitment is absolutely phenomenal, and we applaud you and we love you, and please keep going, and only you can save Pakistan. Thank you.